Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install PySpark in Visual Studio Code. To go ahead and install this, the first thing that we need to do is to launch the Visual Studio Code app first. So as you can see, we're currently already onto a Python project in here. And for us to be able to go ahead and install PySpark, we need to head onto the terminal for that. To locate that, head here onto the upper part corner of the screen, onto these three dots, click onto it, and there you should be able to find in terminal. So just click onto new terminal, or you could use the shortcut key just like this one. Click onto that and you should find in something like this onto the bottom part. Now, to go ahead and install PySpark, this is the line that you need to go ahead and type in here. So just go ahead and type in the same thing onto your terminal in there and click onto enter. So as you can see, you will go ahead and try to install something onto your device. You'll just have to wait for this one to be finished downloading. So it has been downloading already, and this one is the current version. So this is also the size for it, and you'll just need to wait for this one since you'll receive a message that it is successfully installed once it is done. So just wait for this one, and that is just basically it on how you install PySpark in Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.